We run on, right? Woo! We circle go through. Woo! Move that way we're in the shot. One more. Cool. So then we're here, right? Poor little Gertrude, a sorry sight, but I'm going to take you under my wing and baby, we lift with our right. You'll be all right. Good. Now we do our steps beside. Step and step, step and step, right? We go. I was once a plain little bird like you, kid. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Step right, pivot, pivot, all I, returning. Guru, right? So one more time. So we go. I was once a plain little bird like you, kid. Ba-dum-bum-bum. One cup that it failed, there was all I. Guru, return forward. I had nothing show off, fish. What's a plain bird to do? And there's certainly nothing show offish on you. Bum, bum. So, we turn to the left. So, I make a plan for myself. Improvement. Right, left. No more crumbs. I vowed I would have the cake. Left, right, face forward. We're here. Oh, so here. Yes, I went to the doctor. We go around. Dr. Date by the lake. And he told me what sort of a pill on take I should take here. Now while I'm stepping with our right. Now I'm kick. I'm kick. Amazing, Mayzie, as feather can be now. Amazing, Mayzie, it was all for sale. Hip, hip. Amazing, Mayzie, the birds are whistling at me now. Amazing, Mayzie, baby, that's my tail. We turn to Gertrude, and we are hitting with our right at the pills, and you can have frills. We push back with our right. Your horton is certain to see, face forward, and you cross point can be amazing. Well, almost hit. As amazing as can be. We do 4 of these. Step, step, step. Ba-dum-bum. You're here for all of this Gertrude stuff. Then, when she says, ah, you all go like this. And sing that bubble. Wait, bubble. Thank you. Then suddenly that's had to give in. You will then, when the bilberry bush comes in, you pull back, and you are here. Then when she says, she does all her gulps, and she says, go, go, go. Then you part to the side of the Pillsbury bush, right? And then she says, something good to me, something good to me. Now as I say, I think myself beginning, all my word is fun. Second, third, round, colorful. What a bird I'm beginning to be. And we go. Amazing Gertrude. Just look at the tail she is sporting. Amazing Gertrude. Thank you, Dr. Date. Thanks, Doc. Amazing Gertrude. And hopefully I'll impress Horton. Amazing Gertrude. One more pill will do me good. Yes, it will. One more. This is when you're looking around. It's like, oh no. She's going to take another one. One more pill. You come in front of the thing and get them to come together. Soon she'll have the biggest tail.